In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital planner with fully functional hyperlinks using Canva. This is a simple and creative process, perfect for beginners and anyone looking to upgrade their digital planning setup. Let's jump right in and start building your planner from scratch. Begin by opening Canva on your browser or app. In the search bar, type Planner. Canva will display a wide selection of planner templates with different layouts, colors, and styles. Take your time scrolling through them until you find a design that fits your personality or your goals for the planner. When you find the one you like, click to open it. Once the template is open, choose Customize this template. This brings you into the editor where you can personalize everything. You can adjust layouts, swap colors, add sections, and soon you'll be setting up your hyperlinks as well. To start customizing, go to the menu on the left and click on Text. This tool lets you add your own labels, headings, or instructions throughout your planner. Click Add a text box, then drag it into position on your page. Think about where this link will be most useful and easy for someone to tap on their tablet or computer. With the text box placed, type in something like "click here" or any label that tells users where the link leads. Once you've added your text, select it. At the top of your screen, you'll see a small link icon. Click it and a field will appear where you can paste your URL. This can connect to a website, a document, or even another page inside your planner. Make sure the link is correct so everything works smoothly when someone uses your planner later. After pasting the link, confirm by selecting Done. The text is now fully hyperlinked. You can repeat these steps for each section of your planner: monthly pages, weekly layouts, index tabs, or any other area you want to make interactive. Continue adding text boxes and links until your entire digital planner is complete and easy to navigate. When you're finished, save your work and export it as a PDF so it keeps all the hyperlinks in place. And just like that, you've created your own digital planner with clickable links that make navigation fast and enjoyable. I hope this helped you understand the process and inspired you to create even more custom pages. Feel free to share your planner with others who might enjoy it. Happy planning!